Hi, y'all. I'm Erin Fusaro. I'm CTO of Marco Polo. Um, and yep, I met Calvin at 7 CTOs. And my background, I am uh, a lot of my background's in data and data platforms and software engineering. And Marco Polo is a product that helps people feel more connected to their friends and loved ones.
What can folks expect to hear from you?
So we're going to talk about influence, what that means, what is upon you as a leader, how to use influence appropriately to better your teams, better your software, better your networks and your connections with the people around you. And we're going to talk about the pros, the cons, the pitfalls, and the ways to make it effective and ethical.
I love that. And I think it goes along with one of the keynotes from last year, which was about storytelling. Like he who tells the best story really controls the show and what's going on. You'll be joining us next week for the conference. What are you hoping to get out of the conference for yourself?
Yeah, so I am by training more of a Java girl, but I spent a ton of time using
We'll let you in.
Python.
Don't worry, it's okay.
I spend a ton of time using Python with data science, data pipelining. It's a huge framework now. And so I'm looking forward to actually listening in on some of the more technical tracks. And I'm really looking forward to connecting with a huge new group of people that I probably would otherwise not be able to connect with.
I'm glad you're joining us for it.
Thanks. I'm glad to be a part of it.